Giving up.
We're going to hit to try to fall back a bit, like.
Probably fall back and then the flank. Rob, you back in? Yeah. Rob,
Go that way. Go just that way. Ah, hey, faster. Hey.
Right, Rob, we're falling back. Let's move.
Right,
if we any longer, we're fucked. Shit, they got the pin down.
Is that even flying?
Over here. How many have we got left? Where's Ross and back?
They're out. We better watch the right as well.
Right, we're on here, we need to fall back.
Oh. There's a guy here. Is there?
Where? I've got them coming from every side, they're coming from that side as well.
We're getting pulled. They come from over there too, or is that us?
Hey?
I'll go and see how many are. I'm hit.
Fucking hell.
Cut.